In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet template. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. To start, you'll first want to use the existing template to create a new sheet. This is your canvas, where you'll have the flexibility to mold it according to your needs. Once you have your new sheet open, it's important to take a moment to rename it and save it to a location within Smartsheet that you control. This ensures that your newly customized sheet is easily accessible whenever you need it. Make sure the name you choose is something descriptive so that it's clear what purpose the sheet serves. Now, it's time to make your desired edits. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that allows you to tailor the columns, formulas, workflows, and formatting to fit your unique project requirements. You might want to add new columns or adjust existing formulas to better align with your project's goals. Embrace this flexible editing stage to enhance the sheet's efficiency. If your project relies on collaboration, consider refining the workflows to optimize team input and streamline processes. Similarly, you can personalize the formatting to ensure the visual presentation meets your standards. It might feel like a lot, but these customizations are what transform a generic template into a powerful tool tailored to your specific needs. After you've made all the necessary adjustments, the next step is to save your sheet as a new template. This is done easily through the File menu. Just select the Save as Template option. By doing this, you're preserving your hard work so that you can reuse this tailored version in the future without having to make all the changes again. It adds efficiency to your processes, allowing you to build upon the foundation you've already established. Once your new template is securely saved, you may want to consider what to do with the original template. You have a couple of options here. You can delete the old template to avoid confusion or clutter depending on your preference and how often you rearrange or edit these templates. Alternatively, you can retain a version history by saving this new version under a distinct name, such as Template v2. This is a helpful practice if you anticipate needing to revert to a previous setup or compare different iterations over time. And there you have it. A complete and structured guide to editing a Smartsheet template. Whether you're refining the details or making substantial changes, these steps ensure that you'll have a custom template ready for your specific projects, saving you time and enhancing productivity in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.